Tata International presents. Over the last century, humanity has been actively searching for alternative sources of energy. There are many reasons for this, in particular, accelerating energy consumption in the world, limited reserves of conventional energy sources, and the importance of environmental safety. The Gagarin ECG 5000 energy converter is unique technology for generating electricity, cold, and distilled water from surrounding thermal energy, the sun and water, without any impact on the environment. About the energy converter. The Gagarin energy converter is a closed system using carbon dioxide as an operating medium. The energy converter consists of the following parts: an expansion turbine, a compression pump and heat exchangers. Both the expansion turbine and the compression pump are original and innovative developments protected by patents, including those under PCT. How does it work? Liquid carbon dioxide is supplied to the turbine from an airtight tank, where it's held at temperatures of up to 30 degrees Celsius and pressure of up to 70 bar. In the turbine, the operating medium is expanded, generates electricity by rotating the rotor, and loses its pressure while cooling down. Carbon dioxide enters the compression pump as a two-phase medium, containing 70% liquid and 30% gas at a temperature below -56 Celsius, and pressure of up to 6 bar. The compression process results in a slight temperature increase to -45 to 50 degrees Celsius, and pressure increase to 12 bar. Liquid carbon dioxide then goes to a system of heat exchangers located in a heated airtight tank. Carbon dioxide is again heated to 30 degrees Celsius and travels to the expansion turbine, thus closing the cycle. The heat transfer fluid, for example water and anti-freezing agent, cools down and is discharged to the external heat exchanger system for generating cold and distilled water in the form of a condensate. Condensation takes place due to a drastic difference between the ambient air temperature and the surface of the cold heat exchanger. The condensate can be used as drinking water after mineralization, or as irrigation water, or for technical purposes. The advantages of our system. Carbon dioxide, used as an operating medium, is non-toxic, non-flammable, non-explosive, cheap, and generally available. The system uses only up to 20% of the generated electric energy for its own needs. 80% of the electricity generated is supplied to the grid. The capacity of the energy converter depends on customer requirements and varies from 2 to 3 kilowatts to 10 megawatts. In addition, the converter generates 3 kilowatts of cold, 300% per 1 kilowatt of the electric energy generated. The amount of condensate depends on the converter capacity, volume of the external heat exchangers, and ambient temperature and humidity. In hot and humid conditions, condensate can be generated on an industrial scale, up to several thousand tons per day. The Gagarin energy converter utilizes renewable energy sources, such as the heat of the sun, ambient air, seawater, hot springs, etc. The energy converter has no complicated parts or assembly units and requires no expensive materials. The energy converter can be used in many different areas and facilities: cooling and electrification of large premises, for sports facilities, ice arenas, rinks, skiing pistes, in the food industry, in medicine, for liquefaction of hydrocarbon and technical gases, pumping oil products, etc., in facilities causing thermal pollution, in digital technologies, supercomputers and cryptocurrency mining, in any place with excessive heat and need for electric energy, cold and water. The Gagarin energy converter is unique technology. Nothing like it exists in the world. Its originality, efficiency and environmental friendliness are confirmed by international patents and endorsed by well-known scientists such as Vitaly V. Chelnikov, Doctor of Technical Sciences, Professor at the Russian University of Chemical Technology of Russia, named after D. Mendeleev; Andrei N. Ponomarov, candidate of Technical Sciences, professor at the St. Petersburg Polytechnic University. Viktor G. Usov, candidate of Technical Sciences, member of the Russian-Chinese Environmental Council. Vladimir I. Magarichny, associate professor at the Low Temperature Department, National Research University Moscow Power Engineering Institute. The Gagarin Energy Converter is unique and revolutionary technology for the 21st century.